Why does deciding even the smallest things feel like climbing a mountain? Overthinking traps us in a web of endless what ifs and second guessing. Today, we'll decode why we overthink before making choices and learn how to free ourselves from this mental spiral. Decision making is an integral part of our lives, from mundane choices like what to eat for breakfast to life altering decisions such as choosing a career or relationship. While weighing options is essential, overthinking can make even the simplest decisions feel overwhelming. This mental habit not only drains our time and energy but also hampers our ability to move forward confidently. In this video, we'll explore the roots of overthinking, its psychological triggers, its impact on our decision-making processes, and effective ways to overcome it. By the end, you'll be equipped to make choices with greater clarity and less mental strain. What is overthinking? Overthinking is not just thinking deeply, it's overanalyzing situations to the point where it causes stress, doubt, and indecision. It often involves excessive planning, continuously preparing for every possible outcome without taking action, endless repetition, playing scenarios over and over in your mind, hoping for a perfect solution, self-criticism, judging yourself harshly for past decisions, which creates a fear of repeating mistakes. So why do we overthink? Perfectionism. Perfectionists often aim for flawless outcomes. They overthink to eliminate any possibility of error, which ironically increases the risk of making no decision at all. Fear of judgment. Overthinking can stem from worrying about how others perceive your choices. This fear of external criticism creates hesitation and overanalysis. Analysis paralysis. With so many choices available, our brains struggle to process them all. Psychologists call this phenomenon choice overload, where having too many options leads to indecision. Hyperfocus on the future. Overthinkers often live in a future-oriented mindset, worrying about outcomes and consequences rather than focusing on the present moment. Brain chemistry. Stress and anxiety increase the production of cortisol, a hormone that heightens our alertness. While this is useful in dangerous situations, it can lead to overthinking in everyday life. Low risk tolerance. Comparing ourselves to others on social platforms can amplify overthinking. Seeing curated versions of others' lives often leads to doubting our decisions. Now let's understand how to cure overthinking. Reframe your mindset. Instead of viewing decisions as permanent, consider them as opportunities for growth. Remind yourself that every choice provides lessons, even if the outcome isn't perfect. Engage in physical activity. Exercise reduces cortisol levels and releases endorphins, which help clear the mind and reduce the urge to overthink. A quick walk or workout can make a big difference. Break decisions into smaller steps. Instead of tackling a big decision all at once, break it into smaller, more manageable steps. This reduces the cognitive load and prevents mental overwhelm. Create decision frameworks. Establish a set of personal values or criteria for decision making. This helps streamline the process by focusing on what aligns with your priorities. Use visualization techniques. Picture the best and worst case scenarios. Visualizing these outcomes can reduce fear and help you realize that most decisions aren't as catastrophic as they seem. Limit your options. Fewer choices often mean faster decisions. For example, when shopping online, set a maximum of 3 options to compare before making a purchase. The psychological impact of overthinking. Overthinking doesn't just affect decision making, it also impacts mental and physical health. Chronic overthinkers are more likely to experience sleep disturbances. Constant worry can make it hard to fall asleep or stay asleep. Increased anxiety. The habit of overanalyzing often feeds into anxiety disorders. Impaired problem solving. When the mind is preoccupied with what ifs, it's harder to think creatively or find solutions. Fatigue. Mental exhaustion from overthinking can leave you feeling drained and unmotivated. How we make choices. The role of heuristics. Our brains often rely on mental shortcuts, or heuristics to simplify decision making. While these shortcuts are efficient, they can sometimes lead to biases and errors in judgment. Intuition versus rational thinking. Choices often result from a balance between gut feelings and logical analysis. When overthinking dominates, intuition is drowned out, making decisions feel forced and unnatural. Influence of environment. The setting in which we make choices impacts our decision making. A cluttered or stressful environment can trigger overthinking, while a calm space promotes clarity. Overthinking, the invisible obstacle to peace of mind. Overthinking often goes unnoticed until it consumes us, making even simple decisions seem insurmountable. At its core, overthinking is an internal debate that keeps replaying potential scenarios and outcomes in our minds. It feels productive because we equate thinking with solving problems, but the truth is, overthinking rarely leads to resolution. Instead, it traps us in a loop of what ifs and maybes where no answer feels satisfying enough to take action. This mental spiral is exhausting because it not only delays decisions but also erodes our self-trust. Over time, overthinking becomes a habit, making us hesitant and overly cautious even in low-risk situations. Recognizing overthinking as a barrier rather than a solution is the first step toward breaking free from its hold. Why do we overthink before making a choice? Overthinking often arises from a deep fear of making the wrong choice, which stems from societal pressures, personal expectations, and past failures. We live in an age where information is abundant, and the paradox of choice has become a common challenge. With endless options and opinions at our fingertips, we strive for perfection, fearing that the wrong decision could lead to regret or judgment. Adding to this, our brains are wired to prioritize safety, making us analyze potential risks excessively. Negative experiences from the past can also contribute, as we try to avoid repeating the same mistakes. Ultimately, overthinking is an attempt to control uncertain outcomes, but in reality, it heightens our anxiety and complicates the decision-making process. The emotional and physical toll of overthinking. Overthinking doesn't just affect our mental state, it takes a significant toll on our emotional and physical well-being. Mentally, it creates a sense of stagnation, where indecision fosters frustration and self-doubt. Emotionally, it amplifies feelings of anxiety, worry, and insecurity, making even small challenges feel overwhelming. Physically, chronic overthinking leads to stress-induced issues such as headaches, muscle tension, and fatigue. It disrupts sleep patterns as our minds refuse to shut down, replaying scenarios late into the night. Over time, this mental burden can weaken our immune system and increase the risk of developing long-term stress-related illnesses. Addressing overthinking is not just about improving our mental clarity but also protecting our overall health and well-being. How to cure overthinking and regain mental clarity? Breaking free from overthinking requires a combination of awareness, practical strategies, and mindset shifts. One effective approach is practicing mindfulness, which anchors your thoughts to the present moment instead of letting them spiral into endless analysis. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or simply pausing to observe your thoughts can help calm your mind. Setting clear time limits for decisions is another useful tool. This forces you to take action rather than dwell endlessly on options. Journaling your thoughts can also help organize them, offering clarity on what truly matters. Equally important is challenging negative thought patterns and reminding yourself that no decision is permanent. By focusing on progress instead of perfection, you can reduce the mental weight of decision-making and embrace action over hesitation. Understanding how we make choices. Our decision-making process is a complex interplay between logic, emotions, and external influences. Emotions often guide intuitive decisions, especially in high-pressure situations where time is limited. While this gut feeling can be powerful, overthinking tends to suppress it, forcing us to rely solely on logical analysis. This imbalance makes choices feel robotic and unnatural. External factors, such as societal norms, peer opinions, and environmental conditions, also shape how we decide. A cluttered or stressful environment can amplify overthinking, while a calm, organized space promotes clarity. To make better choices, it's crucial to align decisions with personal values and long-term goals. Understanding that every choice is a learning opportunity, rather than a final verdict, helps ease the burden of overthinking and fosters confidence in decision-making.